everybody, welcome to my video. We are just doing something really quick. You can see I have a bunch of product here on my desk. I have some prices and I'm just doing an old-fashioned sale of items, and I have some punches, some stamps, and then some stuff that might be interesting to a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'll go through everything. Everything is as cheap as I can possibly make it. Shipping depends on what you get. So shipping will be in priority flat rate boxes. So if you get a small, it will be whatever that small box costs. If it's a medium, it's whatever that box costs. I will give you the costs when you email me. You can email me at my full name, Katina Martinez, no spaces, no weirdness, just Katina Martinez all together at live.com. So that's KATINAMARTINEZ at live.com. And I will put together a box for you and ship it out to you. Okay, everything is priced super cheap. I just want it gone. I don't want it in here anymore. Okay, the first thing I have are these Stampin' Up! Spritzers. They're basically brand new. I think one is used. This one will have to have some cleaning up done to it, but they're just the spritzers. You put your ink and your water or your alcohol in here. The lid comes off and they spritz. You just, you know, press it down and they spritz. These, for all of these, I have $2. $2. Okay, I'm gonna try to get these out of the way as I do this. So $2 for those. I have this kit. It's Blossoms and Wishes. It's brand new. It's still sealed, so you can make all of these. And it's $3. Next, I have some Stamparatus. Stamparatus. I don't know, like accessories. This is a foam pad, so it's brand new in the package. So it's a foam pad, and then this is the paper that goes in it. And so I'm just gonna put both of these together. And for this, it's gonna be $2 for both items. $2. Next, I have this Happy Houseplant DIY kit. I don't have the frames. I wanted just the frames from it, so I took the frames out and used them. But it's the pieces that go in it. And this is $2. Next, I have this wooden, it's a US thing. I got it at Target. For like in the dollar spot. I paid $3 for it, but I got it to do like my team, like to put all the pens where all your team members are, and it's just $1. I'm gonna throw it away if nobody buys it. I just don't want it. I don't need it. It's been in here. Don't want it. Don't want to deal with it. Okay, let's do the stamps and the dies really quick. So all of the stamps, all of the dies, all of the punches are $5. Okay, so I have this set. This is brand new. I just accidentally purchased 2 of them. So this is the postal dies. They're brand new. I've literally never even opened them. I have a background die. It's gonna come with the magnetic strip and in the pocket. I'm not even gonna deal with it. This is a background. It's that plaid background. Then I have basic borders, and again, $5. $5. I just want it gone. Okay, I have Turtle and Friends. Do I have the punch that goes with this? No. So I have Turtle and Friends, again, coming just like this. It's not in a case, it's in an envelope. You can see it's been a little bit used. $5. This is a candy cane background that has literally never been used. It has the sticker. The backing is still on it. $5. This one is, I think I might have used it. It is in the envelope. It's not been used. I'll put this in a new envelope because the envelope was ripped but it is festive foliage, and I'll put it in a new envelope. Let me set that aside. $5. Pedal Park, $5. The mice, these were cute. I did a class on these. $5. Happiest Hippo, $5. Sending Cheer, $5. Dove of Hope, $5. This is brand new. I think I maybe used the sentiment once. Gone Fishing, used a couple of them. Hot Air Balloon, never used it. Share a Milkshake, never used it. Oh, this is the ribbons. This was done by Patty. Oh, I forget her last name. This was her $1 million stamp set, and when it premiered, like when it went in the catalog and it was shared, we were at an event and Patty was there and she signed it for me. That was really fun. And then Healing Hugs. I really loved this one. So those are the stamp sets, all $5. $5. Okay, the punches I have, Cloud Punch. This is a Pumpkin Punch. This is a Truck Punch. And this is a Cow Punch. All $5. Okay, now for some like sort of specialty items. So this is a pack of 3. And they're wish lists. So it's like inspire, create, and share. And they're all wish lists. This was an item you could only get on the demonstrator, like as a demonstrator. I have 3 of these at $5. I think I just did a lot of this $5. Then I have a set of, these are sticky notes. Like this is a long sticky note and then 2 sticky notes that look like this. And then like flag sticky notes, $5. I have 3 of them. And then I have some that I pulled apart where I just wanted them separate. So if they're pulled apart and separate, they're $2. And I have a bunch of them. Don't need them, don't want them. I have a summer mini kit. It has like stickers, it has some cards, some paper, and it's like this whole album. This I think was a close to my heart thing years and years ago. Not close to my heart, I'm sorry, creative memories. Has some paper, some stickers, and a stamp set, $3. $3. Okay, then I have a couple other items. This is a partial kit to make cards. I think I made 1 of the cards in here. It has a stamp set, a Stampin' Spot, twine. This one, I think I did $3 because it's a partial kit. $3. Then I have this pick thing. All these pieces unscrew and it has all the things. $2. Just want it gone. Throwing it away if nobody buys it. I have a couple core kits. This is the Happy core kit. So I think it's like Aqua and Happy mixed. And it's all of these 4x6 cards and then all of these 3x4 cards. $3. Just want it gone. $3. Next, I have some embossing folders. All of the embossing folders are $2 a piece. So this one is like a square one. This one is polka dots. This one, let me see if I can get a card to go behind this. This one is this, oh, it's kind of hard to still see. It's like we need something dark. Is that better? I don't know that that's any better. This is not Starflakes, Snowflakes. This is like winter, like trees. This is Painted Texture, and this is a really thick one. It's like a 3D one. This is a floral one. This is a These are all Stampin' Up. This is evergreen. It's a 6x6, so it has the trees. This is like raindrops. And then this is, I don't know, this design. And those are all $2. I have this like this is like a traveler's notebook thing. Has some stickers and then these like traveler notebook pieces. And you can do like a whole thing, $2. I have another core kit. This is the click core kit, but I only have the 4x6, so $2. And then last but not least, I have a bunch of, actually this is not the last of it, but I have a bunch of Ali Edwards cards. They're just a mix of like Project Life cards by Ali Edwards and some vellum and some flags and some pieces. Just $2 or it's going right in the trash. Like I just don't want this stuff anymore in here. Okay, and then the last thing I have is I have these, which were a Stampin' Up item years ago. They're the 10s. And then I also have these. They're these Halloween like jack-o'-lantern things. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 of these. And I don't do this kind of stuff anymore. So $2 for all of these and $2 for all of that. So that is what I have for sale. If you want something, comment, email me. I'll get you shipping. I'll get you stuff. Super straightforward. I just want it out of here, and what does not sell is going in the trash. I don't want it in here anymore. Okay, let me know, comment below or email me. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you would like me to do another video with my planner that is not blurry, I will happily refilm that part. If you feel like you want to see something more in that, just leave a comment and let me know. There's 2 other videos you can check out, and I will catch you next week in my next video.